How's it going, guys? We're here in Oroville, California, where reports of a tornado came, and a lot of damage, especially to people's homes. You can see this looks like a fence down right here. It's really dark, but it came right through here. There's fence all down. And then ripped a carport right off of someone's house. So it came right through here. You have crews working to restore power. So I'll go back this other way. I'll show you some more of this damage. So these houses right here took a direct hit. Big branch down here. This carport right there was connected to the house, ripped it right off. These guys are working on the power lines right here, which also took a hit. Yeah, that tree that got blown over, that's completely on its side. So you can see it's a pretty good sized tree, uprooted, completely blown over with some roof damage here. And a little bit of debris down here. Fence damage here, blown that way. And then this is a pretty big tree right here, and these branches are completely snapped off. So I'll try to zoom in. These are completely snapped off at the top. And that is easily a foot diameter, and it's just completely snapped off. Here's more debris. As soon as I cross, a lot of tree debris here. Ooh, that was a strong puddle. You have all this trees here that went down. Pretty good size branch there. Branches down on the inside. And but the other thing I was going to show you was this big chunk of board with nails in it. And all the roof tiles that are right there. The guy's working is literally right there. So the reports I got was the tornado came straight right through this direction, and took down a whole bunch of branches. This car here took a direct hit. Look, totally uprooted this whole tree. And here's shingles. Look at that shingle. That's a shingle right at the tree, uprooted. And so it came directly right into this apartment complex here. And then more limb damage, fresh tree damage. So there's a lot more trees just all over. So this is in Butte County. So I've caught a few tornadoes here in Oroville. Completely uprooted this tree. Look at that. Snapped it right off at the base. And that's a big tree. That is huge. I mean, It's about the size of the palm of my hand, and I'm 6'2". But I mean, just to give you an idea, I mean, it just completely snapped it right off of this tree branch. So sorry, I'm doing a live here. Here's some more shingles. Another big chunk of shingle. So, like I said, I'm live in Oroville, right off of Nelson and Table Mountain. So here's a big chunk of board with nails sticking up out of it. All the branches here. There's branches actually down all over the place. So a lot of tree damage. Oh, some more shingles from the roofs. So like I said, it came right through this whole direction right here. Some more. So, but I mean, you can just see the amount of water in this neighborhood still. There's good flooding right there. This right here in this low-lying area is a good 8 inches of standing water, just full of tree debris. So again, these guys are working on trying to restore power to this area. So we have PG&E crews currently on site here. Because the power lines that are right here, right above this guy's house, were actually taken down by trees. And you can see the tree just leaning up against this guy's house right here. This is California, Northern California. About an hour and a half north of Sacramento. So it looks like these guys are done here, but crews are still on site. So it seems like when I came up, these guys were up on the roof, trying to check for roof damage. So obviously one of these houses has roof damage from the big chunks of shingles that were missing. So you're watching live coverage here on National Storm Center. I said I talked to this guy here. He's seen the tornado as it came through. So let's see if we can see if there's any more damage. I showed you this already, the tree limbs down off of that big tree. There's a fence down right there. The reports I got is that it came directly this way. So there's some palm trees from this big palm tree, which is partly gone. So the fences down there, palm tree damage here. Don't really see any other damage down this street. So they're kind of going and inspecting this whole area right now. because all these lines are kind of all over. Oops, sorry. So, as you can see, they're inspecting all of them for damage. So, how's it going?
Hey, so we had a neighbor. I was in the back trying to save my chickens and stuff like that. But we had a neighbor that said they saw like green sparks traveling down the line and stuff like that.
Really?
So I didn't know if you guys already knew or anything like that. But yeah, just be careful. We don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys without power down here?
None of us have power. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they just restored that part, so they're going down looking at all the lines right now.
Okay.
So, but they just restored power right where the tornado hit earlier, right there.
I literally so see the palm tree?
Yeah.
Normally you shouldn't be able to see that from here. We had trees up.
Really?
Yeah, and our whole backyard is like I was running in the tornado. I could see the wind. I'm from Missouri.
Yeah.
So,
I storm chase out there.
Tornado out.
Yeah. I'm an extreme storm chaser. So.
Hey, you guys need any hands?
What do you mean? For chasing?
No, for work. I applied through Indeed.com for PG&E spots. And
I'm not with PG&E.
Oh. Are you a storm chaser?
I'm an extreme storm chaser.
No way.
Yep, I swear.
How do I get a job doing that?
Get a camera, but that's what I do.
Oh, I'll show you some pictures. I'll show you my backyard right now. There's gallery. You're gonna trip on this.
Can I show you? Can I show them?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm live. I'm live right now.
That's my fence got ripped up. Those are roots. So
oh wow. There's a lot of trees the same way.
So those are limbs that blew off the dang orange tree. I just tried blocking that's part of the fence I lost. That's tree.
Oh wow.
Yeah, those were all. So normally you can't see that palm tree because those trees. There's like 5 trees in a cluster, and that's. There you can see the roots. There's a better picture of the roots.
It's looking pretty much like it's EF0, maybe EF1. There's some roof damage to one of these houses, and there's big chunks.
It moved our pergola.
Oh, did it?
It moved so we had the pergola sitting on cinder blocks, and it literally. As soon as I saw, like I said, me and my brother-in-law, we were trying to put a tarp up, and I watched it move.
Which way did it come from?
Brother, obviously, it came from this way and went that way.
Came from this way?
Yeah, it came from this way because...
Was it on the ground when it came through these palm trees right here? Or would you say that it was more rotating?
I'm going to say it was rotating when it came over here. I bet you, I would say it literally touched down...
Right here.
Right here, because it picked up, the trampoline was in his backyard on the concrete.
Okay.
It flew about 60 feet through the air and hit our trees. That's what. And then the trampoline rolled through our backyard and took out the wooden fence.
Gotcha.
So it literally, they had to go out into the road.
And go get it.
To go get their trampoline. We were trying to and stuff out there on... just on the other side.
Just right here, this is Foothill? Not Foothill. Okay.
Table Mountain.
Table Mountain, right. Okay. And that's Table Mountain right here? This is the backside of Table Mountain?
This is La Crescenta.
Okay.
Or La Palma, and this is La Crescenta.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Well,
dude,
I appreciate it.
You do.
Yeah. If you look out for National Storm Center, look it up on Facebook.
You're a storm chaser.
I am.
I love watching that crap on Discovery.
Yeah, I'll be out in Tornado Alley this spring, and so.
You're live right now?
Yeah, I am live right now.
Awesome.
You want to say hi?
How you doing, everybody? We're blessed. Everybody's alive.
So.
Thank you, brother.
Hey, you have a blessed night.
Thank you.
National Storm Center.
I'm looking into it.
All right. So, do you know if there's more damage around than just right in this area?
There's gotta be.
Is there?
They haven't put it on us yet.
Yeah.
I didn't even know this, like, all the damage was down that way.
You're right.
I didn't say shit about this one. You live right in here.
No, I'm a storm chaser, so I chase. Oh. I do a lot of the storm coverage and stuff for a lot of the local news stations and stuff like that. Right. So, you guys have a good night. Be safe. So like I said, you're probably going to see a lot more reports. PG&E is working hard. They are restoring power. So we're definitely working on that. Like I said, tornado came through here. We have some damage here from this fence. Whole area is down. I know it's dark, guys. I really apologize. I'm not going to show these guys property, but you can see the fence down right here. Blew it completely over. No damage. But like I said, I'm not going to show people's what they have in their yards or anything like that. Just kind of showing the damage from a tornado. EF1, EF0, EF1. I'd say EF1. Especially with all the trees that are down. Here's another chunk of fence blown down right here. So you see a lot of limb damage and you see a lot of roof damage on the EF0, EF1. So EF2s are a whole lot different story. You see a lot more damage to buildings. So an EF2 tornado can pick up your double wide and throw it. So this is a real low EF0. Winds are probably right around 60 to 80 miles an hour. So like I said, these guys are working on their trees. I'm not going to show too much of what they're doing, but you can see the big tree is down. So I'm not going to disturb anybody. We're just kind of documenting the damage. So PG&E did restore power to a lot of these houses that did lose it from this transformer that took a direct hit. So they are working on all that. Tornado? Yeah. You live right here? You live right here? Oh, yeah, it came right through here. Yeah. Yeah. It's long gone. No warning came through. So, so this fence is caved in. So the one thing is that I want to show you guys how big this branch is. I don't know if you can see it up there. I know it's dark, but that is over a foot in diameter and it's completely sheared off. So now it's starting to rain. But you'll see all the roof, there is a lot of roof damage. There's chunks of shingle right here. This is all shingles from someone's roof. All the trees here. And there's a big board with nails right here. So, and then all of the, here's more shingles here. So, move that because I don't want someone to step on nails. But uprooted that whole tree. That car took a hit. No damage. But uprooted this tree here. Now it's really starting to rain. So I'm going to wrap up this video here. Go back to my car where it's dry. But this is all damaged area. This tree's down. That's completely sheared off. More limbs in these people's yards. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've been live. I really missed you guys. These all trees are down. I know it's dark, but these trees are all on their side. There's some roof damage right up here to these apartments. Limbs down here. All these trees are down here. You can see all those trees are down. So there's some more damage right back in here. This whole tree and this whole area is all down. It's all coned off. So, I'll have to come back during the day where I can really show you guys. But like I said, we do have reports of a tornado. The neighbor I was talking to saw it on the ground, and he's from Tornado Alley, so I know he knows what a tornado is. But appreciate everyone that's tuning in. Another round's coming in of rain. My phone is drenched. So, let's see. So again, this is Oroville, California, Butte County. And I know you guys all remember Butte County because I was here for the campfire and I was here for the spillway crisis, and we've gotten a lot in Oroville. So been in Oroville a lot. Have a lot of followers here. So we'll come back over here, see if we can't see any more damage. This is so this is kind of over where they are working right now with all the power lines. There's some big branches down here. So this is right where it came down. It's right here. So appreciate everyone tuning in. Like I said, figured I'd hit some of this tornado damage, and got a lot of reports of it, and people messaging me and saying, hey, you need to come check this out. So here I am. If you haven't, be sure to like and subscribe. Share the video. I do appreciate it. Don't really see anything else, but I have caught several tornadoes here in Oroville before, and I'm gonna try to get off of here and go and let a lot of my news friends get some information here off my videos. But like I said, I've had enough I've talked to probably about 5 other people before I started streaming that they all seen the tornado. It came right up the street. So, good amount of damage, and have to come back during the daytime. Can actually get a better view. You know, it gets dark here in California by 5 o'clock. So, we'll have to come out and check it all out. Definitely appreciate everyone that's been tuning in. 380, I saw as much as 500 people that were viewing earlier. Definitely appreciate it. If you're new to National Storm Center, like and subscribe. You can share. I'll be out chasing in the Midwest in Tornado Alley. So I live here in Northern California, but I travel all over to see severe weather. So appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and go for the night. Appreciate all the viewers and everyone watching. I am the Extreme Storm Chaser. You're watching live coverage here on National Storm Center. You guys have a safe night, happy holidays, and we'll catch you on our next video.